Welcome everyone to online Inter-House Dance Competition 2021-2022 organized by the Dance Club of Loreto Day School, Bobazar.
World Dance Day is a day when we celebrate the art of dance globally. The event takes place every year on the 29th of April, which is the birth anniversary of Jean-Georges Noverre, the creator of modern ballet. Every year, our school celebrates this day with grand gestures and massive preparations. But unfortunately, due to the pandemic, this year we are going virtual.
Dance is an art. Paint your dream and follow it. Michael Jackson once said, "We dance for laughter, we dance for tears, we dance for madness, we dance for fears, we dance for hopes, we dance for screams. We are the dancers, we create dreams." Good afternoon, respected sister, principal, judges, teachers, and my dear friends. Today, we have all gathered here to celebrate the power of dance, to give wings to our mind, flight to our imagination in the form of Inter-House Dance Competition 2021-2022. Now say the prayer for dance, a dancer's prayer. Dear angel, ever at my side, be there today, my feet to guide. Help me dance, high and light and free, so everyone will be proud of me. May the judges be fair and the stages be spacious in winning and losing. Let me be gracious, so that every dance I'll remember with pride. And angel, please keep my shoelaces tight. In the name of the Father, Son, Holy Spirit. Amen.
नेकी की राहों पे तू चल, रब्बा रहेगा तेरे संग। नेकी की राहों पे तू चल, रब्बा रहेगा तेरे संग। वो तो है तेरे दिल में, हाँ तू क्यों बाहर उसे ढूंढता। नेकी की राहों पे तू चल, रब्बा रहेगा तेरे संग। रब से मोहब्बत कर, उसकी इबादत कर, उसने ही दी है हमें जिंदगी। उसके करम से, हर वचन से, राहों पे तेरी गिरेगी रोशनी। सबको तू माफ कर, खुद ना इंसाफ कर, उस पे तो हक बस खुदा का ही है। तू औरों से इस कदर मिल, जैसे तू चाहे वो तुझसे मिले। कहे यीशुआ तू ईमान ला, तो पर्वत भी तेरे हुक्म पे चलेगा। नेकी की राहों पे तू चल, रब्बा रहेगा तेरे संग। वो तो है तेरे दिल में, हाँ तू क्यों बाहर उसे ढूंढता। नेकी की राहों पे तू चल, रब्बा रहेगा तेरे संग।
Our judge for this afternoon is Mrs. Jinuk Mukherjee Sinha. At the age of 16, Mrs. Jinuk Mukherjee Sinha realized her passion for the classical dance form of Bharatanatyam. It has been a rather pleasant journey for Mrs. Jinuk Mukherjee Sinha, paving her way through the avenues of Bhava, Raga and Tala under the sublime shadow of the nest crow Dr. Guru Srimati Thankamani Kutti at Kalamandalam, Kolkata, India for the last 24 years. She is performing and doing workshops for the last 19 years in all over the world in many national and international forums. She is an empaneled artist of Ministry of Culture, Government of India. She is a graded artist of Doordarshan Kendra, Kolkata and EZCC, Eastern Zonal Cultural Centre, Government of India. She is the Best Performance Award winner of the renowned Dover Lane Music Conference in the year 1999. She has been awarded Nritya Jyoti Samman Award, Natya Kalakar Award, Nritya Kalpashri Award, Natya Rani Award, Nritya Suvarna Mani Award. She has performed abroad in places like USA, Canada, UK, London, Australia, Germany, France, Switzerland, Singapore, Middle East. Our next judge for this afternoon is from our school, Miss P. Dhor. Miss P. Dhor completed her schooling from Missouri and higher studies up to post-graduation from Calcutta University. After passing out class 10, her interest in classical dance promoted her to learn the basics of Bharatanatyam at a dance school. Though she could not complete the full course, her passion for dance did not die out. She utilized every opportunity to involve herself in any form of dance performed in school, college, and university programs. In the last few years, she has discovered a love for Zumba, and the training classes have been a source of absolute joy. She believes that to keep fit, happy, and stress free, everyone should take up dance in any form, as it is the best way to let the flush of endorphins increase in the blood and keep everyone happy. Rules for Indian classical dance solo. One participant from each house will be allowed. Each performance should not exceed 5 minutes. Participants of the Eastern solo cannot enroll their names for the group folk dance. Movie songs will not be entertained. The song, dance performance, costume should be in pure classical dance forms of India. 50 points are allotted, 10 points each for costume, rhythm, expressions, presentation, and theme. Rules for Indian folk or tribal group dance. Each performance should not exceed 5 minutes. Movie songs will not be entertained. The song and dance performance should be in pure folk or tribal dance forms of India. Minimum 4 participants and maximum 6 participants have to be in a group folk dance. 50 points are allotted, 10 points each for synchronization and visual presentation, theme, expression, rhythm, and props.
Bharatanatyam. Bharatanatyam, also previously called Sadhir Attam, is a major form of Indian classical dance that originated in Tamil Nadu. Bharatanatyam is one of the oldest classical dance traditions in India. It has been nurtured in the temples and courts of southern India since the ancient era. It is noted for its fixed upper torso, bent legs and knees flexed combined with spectacular footwork and a sophisticated vocabulary of sign language based on gestures of hands, eyes and face muscles. Now, Shrestha De of 10A from St. Francis Xavier is going to perform a traditional invocatory piece in praise of Lord Ganesha. The words of the song refer to Lord Ganesha as the one whose vehicle is the mouse and one who has the modak in his hand, whose large ears are like fans and who wears the long sacred thread, who is short in stature and is the son of Sri Maheshwara. The song offers prostrations at the feet of Sri Vigna Vinayaka, the remover of the obstacles of his devotees.
ಮಾರ್ಗೇಶ್ವರ ಪುತ್ರ ವಿಘ್ನ ವಿನಾಶಕ ಪರಮತೆ ಪಾದನಮತೆ
Odissi. Odissi, also referred to as Orisi in older literature, is a major ancient Indian classical dance that originated in the Hindu temples of Orissa, an eastern coastal state of India. Odissi, in its history, was performed predominantly by women and expressed religious stories and spiritual ideas, particularly of Vaishnavism. Now Rishita Chatterjee of 9B from St. Joan of Arc is going to perform Basant Pallavi. A Pallavi in Odissi is a nritya or pure dance item set to a raga. Earlier, the Devdasis used to perform this Pallavi in the evening set to Rag Basanta. Here the performer is describing the attributes of the deity and details the coming of spring and tender green shoots with fluid hastas. The entwined patterns of pure dance and sentiments were portrayed with confidence. Even though the heel movements and Tribhanga poses were delightfully done, the serpentine liquidity of the torso, that is very much the hallmark of the Odissi style, remained erratic.
performance by Saint Maria Goretti House. Bharatnatyam is considered to be over 2000 years old. Several texts beginning with Bharata Muni's Natya Shastra provide information on this dance form. The Abhinaya Darpana by Nandikeshwara is one of the main sources of textual material for the study of body movement in Bharatnatyam dance. On the Gopurams of the Chidambaram temple, a series of Bharatnatyam poses can be seen. In many other temples, the charis and karanas of the dance are represented in sculpture, and one can make a study of the dance form. Now, Kritika Mondol of class 9A from St. Maria Goretti House is going to perform Bho Shambho. Bho Shambho is a nritya or pure dance in praise of Lord Shiva. In this performance, the dancer is describing that Bhagiratha's prayer to clean his ancestors' souls insulted Ganga, who tried to flood the whole world. Lord Shiva prevented the world from destruction by trapping Ganga in his locks. He, who is Parabrahma without any characteristics, who is beyond time, beyond properties, who is infinite, joy-filled and deathless Shivalinga. The one who dances vigorously to the beat of drums, who is worshipped by sage Mathanga, the Lord of the stage, the Lord of everyone, the merciful Lord who redeems us from this ocean of sorrows.
Shiva Shambho Swayambho Bho Shambho Shiva Shambho Swayambho
Ta ha ta ri ta 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 na ta 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 ri ta ta na ta ja nu ta ri ki ta ta ka ri ta ha ta ri ta 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 na ta 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 ri ta ta na ta ja nu ta ri ki ta ka ta ka ta 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 ri ta 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 na ta 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 ri ta ta na ta ja nu ta ri ki ta ta ka ta tom ta ta ri tom ta ta na tom ta ta ri ta ta na ta ja nu ta ri tom ta ta ri tom ta ta na ta ting ki na tom ta ka ta ting ki na tom ta ka ti ko ta ting ta ri ki ta
Shambho Shiva Shambho Swayambho Shambho Shiva Shambho Swayambho Gangadhara Shankara Karunakara Mamava Bhavasagara Taraka O Shambho Shiva Shambho Swayambho Shambho Shiva Shambho Swayambho Nirguna Parabrahma Swarupa Gama Gama Bhuta Prapancha Ragita Nijaguna Nigita Nidanta Ananta Ananda Atijaya Akshayalinga Dhimita Dhimita Dhimi Dhimi Kita Kita Tom 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 Tari Kita Tari Kita Kita Tom Dhimita Dhimi Dhimi Kita Kita Tom 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 Tari Kita Tari Kita Kita Tom Matanga Munivara Vandita Yesha Nitya Niranjana Nritya Natesha Isha Sabesha Sarvesha Dhimita Dhimita Dhimi Dhimi Kita Kita Tom 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 Tari Kita Tari Kita Kita Tom Matanga Munivara Vandita Yesha Sarvadhigambara Veshita Vesha Nitya Niranjana Nritya Natesha Nitya Niranjana Nritya Natesha Oh Shambho Shiva Shambho Swayambho Oh Shambho Shiva Shambho Swayambho Swayambho
popular Bharatanatyam of St. Teresa House. Bharatanatyam is a major form of Indian classical dance that originated in Tamil Nadu. Bharatanatyam is one of the oldest classical dance traditions in India. It remained exclusive to Hindu temples and courts of southern India throughout the 19th century. It was expanded outside the temples in the 20th century. It is one of the 8 forms of dance recognized by the Sangeet Natak Academy. It expresses South Indian religious themes and spiritual ideas, particularly of Shaivism, Vaishnavism, and Shaktism. Now, Sudakshana Basu of 8A from St. Teresa is going to perform Dhyana Sloka. The sloka is Angikam Bhuvayanam Yasa Vachikam Sarva Vangamayam Aharyam Chandra Tara Adi Numa Satvikam Shivam. Meaning of this entire sloka is, whose bodily movement is the entire universe, whose speech is the language of the universe, whose ornaments are the moons, stars, etc. Him we pray, the pure Lord of dance. Natraja Dashiva.
Bengali Folk Dance by Centreza House. Bengal, a land of fecundity and prosperity, embraces all within her fold. The varied hues of her rich culture color, her songs, music and literature. The numerous tribes and ethnic groups of Bengal have their own distinctive folk arts, as varied and beautiful as tribes themselves. The dances contain themes that range from ritualistic to satirical and from allegorical to social. They involve prayers, offerings, celebration and oaths. Usually performed during the festive seasons or to mark a happy occasion, these dances ingrained in folk culture reflect local faith, tradition and custom. Some of the most popular folk dances of Bengal are Baul, Santal dance and Gambira. The Santal dance is considered to be one of the best tribal folk dance of India, which offers immense vibrancy and cheerfulness. Santal dance is generally performed by both men and women of the Santali tribe. It often covers issues related to gender and land rights. While performing, the male Santal dancers are dressed up in dhoti and make use accessories like turban, tree leaves, flowers and bushes. The dance is performed on special occasions. From Centreza House, the dance is performed by Sanjukta Nath, 7A, Kamalkali Bhattacharya, 8B, Adishi Acharya, 8B, Artika Chatterjee, 8B, and Adhika Mukherjee, 10A.
ফুলে ফুলে রং এলো শাল গাছে ফুল এলো আজ আমাদের সারুল আমার প্রাণে মাদল আমার কাঁধে মাদল বাঁশি বাজে ধিতাং ধিতাং বাজে মাদল ফুলে ফুলে রং এলো শাল গাছে রং এলো আজ আমাদের সারুল আমার প্রাণে মাদল আমার কাঁধে মাদল বাঁশি বাজে ধিতাং ধিতাং বাজে মাদল গায়ে আজ কাটাই কেবল আয় সালের বনে আয় জাহের থানে আয় লাচে গানে আজ কাটাই কেবল হারায় সিধা জীবন হারায় কুঞ্জ কানন হারায় সিধা জীবন হারায় কুঞ্জ কানন ওরে দল বেঁধে আয় বাঁচাই সবুজ সম্বল ফুলে ফুলে রং এলো শাল গাছে ফুল এলো আজ আমাদের সারুল আমার প্রাণে মাদল আমার কাঁধে মাদল বাঁশি বাজে ধিতাং ধিতাং বাজে মাদল মন বিহারি মন বনের আলাপন চাই যে পেতে আজ বনের আঁচল বন বিহারি মন বনের আলাপন চাই যে পেতে আজ বনের আঁচল এবার হব মাতাল খালা ভরে তুঠাল কাল কালা ভরে তু ঢাল মহল ফুলে ফুলে আজ আমাদের সারু ফুলে ফুলে রং এলো তাল গাছে ফুল এলো আজ আমাদের সারু আমার প্রাণে মাদল আমার কাঁধে মাদল বাজে বাঁশি ধিতাং ধিতাং বাজে মাদল
St. Maria Goretti presents Rajasthani folk dance Kalbelia. Rajasthan is culturally rich and has artistic and cultural traditions that reflect the ancient Indian way of life. There is rich and varied folk culture from villages which are often depicted as the symbol of the state. Highly cultivated classical music and dance with its own distinct style is the part of the cultural tradition of Rajasthan. Some of the folk dances of Rajasthan are Bhavai dance, Chang dance, Chari dance, Dandiya Ras, Gair dance, Ghumar, Kachi Godi dance and Kalbelia. Kalbelia is a tribe from Rajasthan, India. There is also a dance of the same name. The dance is an integral part of their culture and performed by men and women. The Kalbelia dance is performed as a celebration. The dancers are women in flowing black skirts who dance and swirl, replicating the movements of a serpent. The upper body cloth is called angrakhi and a piece of cloth worn on head known as orni. Similarly, the lower body cloth is called lehenga. All these clothes are mixed in red and black hues and embroidered in such a way that when these dancers perform, these clothes represent a combination of colors soothing to eyes as well as to the atmosphere. The male participants play musical instruments such as the pungi, a woodwind instrument traditionally played to capture snakes. Kalbelia songs are based on stories taken from folklore and mythology. Today, Ahana Bose of 10B, Shivali Raha of 10B, Sudarshana Sen of 10B, Srija Majumdar of 10B, and Shushnata Chakraborty of 12 Humanities A from St. Maria Goretti is going to perform Kalbelia dance.
Marathi folk dance. Gifted with its rich culture and traditions, Maharashtra has various types of dance forms, including its very popular folk dances. The plethora of folk dances is still prevalent and enthralls the audience with a wide variety of costumes, colors, and ornaments. Some of the most popular folk dances from Maharashtra are as follows: Lavani, Tamasha, Koli, Dindi, and Dhangri Gaja. Lavani and Koli dance forms entertain the Maharashtrians with its mesmerizing music and rhythmic movements. Dhangri Gaja dance pays respect to their god by the Dhangars of Sholapur. Dindi and Kala are the religious folk dances which expresses of religious ecstasy of Lord Krishna. Tamasha is a traditional form of Marathi theatre, often with singing and dancing, widely performed by local or travelling theatre groups within the state of Maharashtra. Today, Ishani Roy of 7B, Adrija Mondal of 7A, Asmi Dev of 9A, Oritrika Poddar of 6B, Kritika Joshi of 7B, and Anushmita Banerjee of 8A of St. Joan of Arc House are going to present before us the Koli dance form of Maharashtra.
कोली सोरील्या डोली मुंबईच्या किनारी अगो मारतीन कोली हानल्यान गोली ग चल जाऊ बाजारी कोली सोरील्या डोली मुंबईच्या किनारी अगो मारतीन कोली हानल्यान गोली ग चल जाऊ बाजारी कोली सोरील्या डोली मुंबईच्या किनारी अगो मारतीन कोली हानल्यान गोली ग चल जाऊ बाजारी ढगाला लागली कळ पाणी थेंब थेंब गळ ढगाला लागली कळ पाणी थेंब थेंब गळ वर ढगाला लागली कळ पाणी थेंब थेंब गळ चल ग राणी गाऊया गाणी फिरूया पाखरा संग
रामाच्या पायात गारगार वाऱ्यात अंगाला भिडू दे अंग
हे जवा तुझं न माझं जुळ पाणी थेंब थेंब गळ
ढगाला लागली कळ पाणी थेंब थेंब गळ
सुंदर मुखडा सोन्याचा तुकडा कुठं हा घेऊन जावा
काय बाई करीत झालं या परित सस्याला बिळकून जावा माझ्या पदरात पडलंय खुळ पाणी थेंब थेंब गळ ढगाला लागली कळ पाणी थेंब थेंब गळ
जमीन आपली उन्हान तापली लाल लाल झाली या माती
करूया काम अंधारूया घाम चला पिकवू माणिक मोती
एका वर्षात होईल तिळ पाणी थेंब थेंब गळ
ढगाला लागली कळ पाणी थेंब थेंब गळ
Punjabi folk dance. Punjabi dances are an array of folk and religious dances of the Punjabi people indigenous to the Punjab region, straddling the border of India and Pakistan. The style of Punjabi dances ranges from very high energy to slow and reserved, and there are specific styles for men and women. Some of the dances are secular, while others are presented in religious contexts. The main Punjabi folk dance for females is Gidda, and for men, or both men and women, is Bhangra. The dances are typically performed at times of celebration, such as harvest, Vaisakhi, weddings, melas, festivals like Lohri, Jashn-e-Baharan, Spring Festival, etc., at which everyone is encouraged to dance. Married Punjabi couples usually dance together. The husband dances in the style of male Punjabi dances, frequently with arms raised, and the wife dances in the style of female Punjabi dances. Common Punjabi folk dances for Punjabi girls are Sammi, Gidda, Jagu, and Kikli. Common Punjabi folk dances for males and females are Bhangra, Karthi, Zindua, and Dandas. Today, Shinjini Lahiri of 6A, Ruksha Shaw of 9B, Sijita Chaudhary of 10A, Arsha Shah of 7A, and Shruti Ray of 7B of St. Francis Xavier House are going to present before us the Punjabi folk dance.
Now, all the performances are over. We would like to request our respected judges to address the gathering. First, I would like to call upon Mrs. Jinuk Mukherjee Sinha to share her valuable thoughts.
Good afternoon, everybody. Firstly, I would like to thank Principal Ma'am for giving me the delighted and privilege to be here. It is really wonderful to see so many of talents together, and everybody is facing this global pandemic with strength and resilience, but also engaging in an activity that you love with all your heart. It goes without saying that today's judgment is really tough to decide, and especially in the classical part, everybody was very good. And I know, as I'm a Bharatanatyam dancer, I know how much practice they need to have a perfection in their dance. And really, really it gave me wings seeing those performances. And each and every participant has displayed so gracefully and so elegant movement, I can't tell you. And students really captivated the screen. As a classical dancer, I would say that dance is the hidden language of the soul that we all know. It gives us energy, and the positive energy. Whenever we will get some negative influence from outside and all, we know that dance always gives us it is a creativity. It will give you a creative mind, it will give you a positive energy. So, and the folk part, I really enjoyed that, how much they worked on it, because they arranged costumes. Really, I liked it. They arranged the props, staying at home in this situation and preparing so much for an inter-house competition. It is really good to see. It is really motivating. And please continue your practice. The way you are contributing art and culture field, keep contributing, keep practicing, keep yourself happy, and stay home, stay safe. And please encourage your friends and family members above age of 18 to get vaccinated, so that we all can resume normal life next time. I can see you dancing in person. Thank you for having me, and all the best. Thank you.
Behind every dancer who believes in themselves is a teacher who believed in them first. Dear Mrs. Jinuk Mukherjee Sinha, thank you for taking out time from your busy schedule and attending the program as the judge for the Inter-House Dance Competition of Loreto Day School, Beaubazar. We are honored to have you here with us today. In this pandemic situation, it is a small initiative to make everyone feel closer to each other while staying in the house. We hope you stay young at heart, kind in spirit, and may you keep dancing and influencing others to dance.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mrs. Jinuk Mukherjee Sinha, for your inspiring thoughts. Now, I invite Ms. Pleedhor to speak on this occasion.
A very good evening to everyone present here. Thank you very much for giving this opportunity to be one of the judges in this competition. Whatever Ms. Mukherjee said, I go by that. Really, dance is a positive power. It is music and dance go together. They are really great healers. In this pandemic situation, everyone is at home. But whenever we feel low or we feel down, I think so most of us turn into some music or go for some dance show or into the YouTube, your television, wherever, and that rejuvenates you. So dance signifies really a positive energy. We feel low, we listen to music, or we look into some dance, or we dance out any steps. We just move our body, the music flows into our body, and we feel very refreshed. So that is where the positive energy comes from. And any form of dance will definitely keep us mentally and physically fit. Thank you, house mistresses, dance mentors, and students. You all have worked, it shows how hard you all have worked to bring up the program to such a level. And in this pandemic situation, coordinating such competition online is very difficult, but you all have overruled it out. Students, your gestures, your attire, your expressions, everything was really elegant and beautiful. And it built up the ambience. It felt like as if we were watching the show in a hall. Like we performed the inter-house dance competition in concert hall. So the only thing which was missing was concert hall. The classical dance, the folk dance, they all built up the ambience. So had we been in concert hall and cheering all up, that would have been, that is the only thing we missed out in this competition. And during this pandemic situation, everyone is in home for months. And children, especially you all are in home for months. Maybe you cannot move out because of this situation, but please add some physical activity into your daily schedule. It can be exercise or any form of dance, any simple steps. Daily, if you perform for 20 minutes at least, it will help you out. So please, in this situation, we all are home, stay safe. As Ms. Mukherjee said, please do get vaccinated. Everyone 18 above in your home, please do get vaccinated so that situations normalize soon and we all meet in school and hoping to see the next dance competition in the concert hall. Thank you very much.
Thank you, judges. Now, I request Ms. P. Bakshi to address the gathering.
Excuse me, ma'am. I'll just present the card for Miss P. Dot.
Yes.
Teachers change the world, one child at a time. Dear Miss Pidhar, thank you for taking out time from your work and attending the inter-house dance competition as the internal judge. We are honored to have you here with us today. We hope you stay at the peak of your health and continue being the great teacher and influencer you are to us.
Thank you, girls.
Yes, now we invite Ms. Bakshi to come and address the gathering.
Good evening to our chief guest, Mrs. Jhinuk Mukherjee Sinha, sisters, teachers, parents, and my dear students. I first like to apologize for not switching on my camera as I'm going back home. Kindly excuse me. Dance is the hidden language of the soul. And let me admit that the performances that we saw today has touched the soul of each and every one of us. My heartiest congratulations to all participants for such a wonderful performance. Thank you, Mrs. Jhinuk Mukherjee, for your presence amongst us. Your performance will inspire our students to embrace dance in their daily routine. I wish you good health. Thank you. Mrs. J. Ghosh and Ms. S. Das for organizing today's event. My sincere appreciation for the house mistresses for guiding the students. And now, but last but not the least, I would like to congratulate each and every performer because they are all winners today. Thank you.
We would now like to thank our principal, Ms. Bagchi, for arranging the Zoom platform for all students from classes 6 to 12 to watch the online inter-house dance competition 2021-22, which gave us the same feel and excitement as that of an offline program. Thank you, judges, for giving us your time. We are grateful to Mrs. Jhinuk Mukherjee Sinha for accepting our proposal of being a judge and being there with us today, taking time out from your busy schedule. I would also like to express my gratitude to the house mistresses and students for their hard work and their parents for the unconditional support. My sincere thanks to the coordinators for their help and encouragement. My deep sense of appreciation for the MCs and other members of the dance club in making this program a huge success. Last but not the least, thank you, teachers and students, for being such a wonderful audience. Good evening, everyone. That is all for today. Thank you, everyone.